channel. I'm Sandhya and I'm a travel vlogger. But this video is not about a travel vlog. It is a little different and this is the first time I'm making a cooking video on my channel. And in case if you're new to my channel, you can watch my amazing travel vlog videos and also very amazing tech reviews. But today I'm going to cook my favorite dessert, which is Japanese souffle pancakes. And this is a very easy dessert. It's super yummy and you just need 6 ingredients. So stay tuned. So guys, you need just 6 ingredients to make this Japanese souffle pancakes, and the first one is the maida, and I have taken half a cup of maida or all purpose flour, and you need 4 eggs, but I have separated the egg yolks and the egg white. Next comes the powdered sugar, so you need to use quarter cup of powdered sugar. Next is milk, so from this I am going to use only 2 tablespoons of milk. And the next is the baking powder, which I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. And the last comes the vanilla essence, which I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So next is the preparing the batter for pancakes. So I've taken this huge bowl and I'm adding all the 4 egg yolks. So after I add the egg yolks, then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk, and make sure this milk is either chilled or at room temperature. Do not add warm milk. And then you can start adding baking powder and the vanilla essence and start mixing these ingredients till until they are completely mixed. And next comes adding the flour. So when you're adding the flour, make sure you add little by little and whisk it properly without leaving any lumps in the mixture. So once you mix it, you should get this kind of consistency. And I'm using the electric blender because I'm too lazy to use hand blender, but if you have hand blender, that works fine too. So next comes the second part of the batter, which is egg white. So take a huge bowl and take all the 4 egg whites and start whisking them. And I'm using the electric blender, because you can also use hand blender, but electric blender is a little faster. So once you get a little foamy consistency, that is when you start adding the powdered sugar little by little, and make sure the sugar is completely mixed and you create a good air into this egg whites. And by mistake I have taken the small bowl, but luckily it is just enough for the quantity. But make sure you take a bigger bowl to avoid all the mess on the table. So now I can see that this is completely mixed and I'm adding the remaining sugar. And now I think my second part of the batter is done. So guys, next is mixing the batter. So here you need to remember that you need to be extra careful while mixing both the batters. So you need to use a technique called folding technique, the way I'm using it right in this video. So do not whisk both the batters, otherwise you'll lose all the air that you have created while whisking the egg whites. So add little by little and gently mix this batter. This will take a little while, but it's all worth the effects, and this is one of the reasons you would get a good fluffy spongy pancakes. So now this is how the consistency of the batter should look like. It will be a little more like a dosa batter, and I'm very happy with the consistency. So guys, next is making the pancake. So I've greased this pan with a little bit of butter, and the pan is hot enough for to make pancakes. So once you put 2 pancakes in the tawa, so make sure you reduce the flame to the lowest, otherwise you'll end up burning the pancakes. So this is a slow cooking process of pancakes. That's why you get this fat and fluffy Japanese souffle pancakes. So once you put both the things, reduce the flame, and then you have to cover it with a lid to give the steam effect. So once it is cooked for another half a minute or so, you have to add the second layer of the batter on the pancakes. This is how you get the fat and spongy looking pancakes. You can even add the third layer, but I'm kind of comfortable with 2 layers because it just gives me a right amount of thick and spongy pancakes. So after adding both the layers, so we want to add an extra steam effect. So for that, we're going to add a little bit of water in the pan. So make sure you do not drown the pancakes, just a little bit enough for them to create the steam effect inside the pan. So once you add the water, you can cover it with a lid. Let it cook for a while, around a minute or so, but in between you can keep checking because everybody's batter consistency might be different. So guys, now it's time to flip the pancake. So the top part of the pancakes looks dry and it's not sticky. That's when you know that it is time to flip them. So once you flip them, you have to repeat the same process of adding a little bit of water and creating a moisture in the pan, and cover it with the lid for another 20 seconds until the pancake cooks properly from the inside. So I'm going to do this process, and ta-da, the pancakes are ready now. So you can go crazy with the toppings of pancakes. You can put Nutella, you can put maple syrup, sugar powder, and you can use any seasonal fruit to garnish it. But my personal favorite is eating pancakes with melted butter, banana, and honey on top of it. So I'm going to eat these pancakes with lot of honey, and I so wish if there is maple syrup at home, but I do not have it currently. So yeah, I'm so happy with the texture, how these pancakes turned out, and I cannot wait to taste them now. So I'm just digging in this pancakes, little bit of banana. This is amazing. It's really amazing. It is light, airy, and right amount of sugar. It is just a very nice delicacy and so easy to make, but very difficult to record. So I want you guys to try this and let me know what you think of it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you want to follow some cool cooking tips and cool travel videos, make sure you connect to me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is pinkpebble. So thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.